Good evening. Ecoform biodegradable household products. What is Ecoform? Ecoform is a manufacturing business that produces biodegradable plates, bowls, and packaging using agricultural waste such as rice husk and sugarcane bagasse. Our goal is to reduce plastic waste by providing eco-friendly alternative for daily household and food service use. What problem does Ecoform address? Plastic waste take hundreds of years to decompose. Single-use plastic pollute oceans and landfills. Many food businesses still rely on plastic packaging. Eco-friendly options are limited and expensive. Why existing alternatives are not enough? Limitation of current products. Plastic products are cheap but harmful to the environment. Some eco products still contain chemicals. Paper plates easily get soggy and break, and there is a need for strong, safe, and truly biodegradable alternatives. Ecoform's sustainable solution. Ecoform transform farm waste into useful household products, reducing waste at both the agricultural and consumer level. Product features: 100% biodegradable and compostable, strong heat resistant and water resistant, safe for food and daily household use, help reduce plastic pollution. What makes Ecoform innovative? Converts agricultural waste into usable product, uses heat freeze molding technology, no harmful chemicals use, and support circular and sustainable economy. Who will use Ecoform products? Restaurants and food stalls, event organizers, eco-conscious households, and sustainable businesses. Why Ecoform matters? Ecoform helps protect the environment while supporting sustainable consumption and responsible manufacturing. Ecoform, shaping a greener future one product at a time. Ecoform is not just a business, it is a sustainable solution by turning farm waste into biodegradable household products. We help reduce plastic pollution, support farmers, and promote a cleaner and greener future.